I roll out of bed in the morning and throw one word I want and let go.
Straight to go. And chase after girls.
And chase after girls.
I get with who I wanted, and I never get confronted for it, 'cause they think I'm
If I were a girl,
I think I could understand
how it feels to love a boy.
I swear I'd be a better thing.
I listen to it,
'cause I know how it hurts
when you lose the one you wanted.
she takes you for granted, and everything you had got destroyed.
If I were a girl,
I would turn off her phone
and tell everyone it's broken, so they think that I was sleeping alone. I put myself second
and make the road as I go, 'cause I know that she'd be faithful, waiting for me to come home. She's my aunt, a home.
If I were a girl, I think I could understand how it feels to love a boy. I swear I'd be a better thing.
I wouldn't listen to her, 'cause I know my ears hurt. You knew the one you wanted, 'cause she's taking you for granted, and everything I have is destroyed.
It's a little too late for you to come back.
It's just a mistake, think I forgive you like that.
For you, you thought
Wrong. But you're just a girl.
you don't understand
Yeah, you don't understand.
how it feels to love a boy. Someday you wish the better thing.
But then again, I'm not gonna listen to her, 'cause she doesn't care anyway. Until you lose the one you wanted, 'cause you're taking her for granted, and everything I have is destroyed. But she's just a boy.
What?
But she's just a boy. Sign it.